Hello and welcome to WebGlow. My name is Sansa and I'll be your guide on this epic JavaScript journey. In this course, we're starting from scratch. Like, what even is JavaScript, Scratch, and building up to creating cool projects that'll make you feel like a coding wizard. So grab your keyboard, your favourite snack, and let's glow together. See what I did there? Glow, WebGlow, never mind. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button. Go on, I'll wait. Done? Perfect. Now let's get started. So, what is JavaScript? Well, JavaScript is the magical sauce that makes websites interactive. Without it, the web would just be a boring stack of text and images. But thanks to JavaScript, we get pop-ups, the good kind, animations, games, and all the fun stuff that keeps the internet alive. The best part, it runs right in your browser. No fancy setups or rituals required. Just write, refresh, and boom, instant results. Now let's talk about why learning JavaScript is chef's kiss worth it. First, it's fun. Second, it's lucrative. A beginner JavaScript developer can make anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 a year, depending on where you live. And with some experience, you could be looking at six figures, 100,000 and beyond. In high-demand regions, it's not uncommon for top-tier JavaScript wizards to earn $120,000 to $150,000 annually. If that doesn't convince you, I don't know what will. It may be free snacks. Sorry, I can't do that. Alright, now that we're hyped, let's dive right in. To code in JavaScript, all you need is a browser, like Chrome, and a code editor. For this course, we're going with VS Code because it's awesome. And no, they're not paying me to say that. Here's how to set it up. Open your browser and go to the Visual Studio Code website. Don't worry, I'll drop the link in the description. It's easier than Googling it. Click that shiny download button and grab the version for your operating system. Windows, Mac, Linux. VS Code loves them all. Once it's downloaded, double-click the file and follow the classic accept agreement. Next, next, next. Install routine. You know the drill. When it's done, click Finish and open VS Code. Ta-da! Welcome to your new coding layer. Now, let's set up your first folder. Click Open Folder. Make a new one, or pick an existing one, and hit Select Folder. That's it. You're ready to rock and code. Alright, now let's take things up a notch and download an extension called Live Server. Why? Because it's awesome. It lets you open your project directly in the browser and see real-time changes as you code. Trust me, it's like having a magic mirror that shows your work instantly, except this one doesn't talk back. Here's how to do it. Look for this little icon in VS Code. It looks like a bunch of squares pretending to be organised. Click it and type Live Server in the search bar. Found it? Great! Click on the extension and hit Install. Now, mine says Disable because I've already got it installed. But yours should say Install. Go ahead and click that, and boom! Live Server is yours. Once that's done, let's get to work. Click on the folder icon, then the file icon, and create a new file. Let's name it index.html. You know, because it's the index of all our greatness. Press Enter and you're in. Now we'll start with a basic HTML template. But wait! Want your code to look as fancy as mine? Of course you do. Let's download another extension called Dracula. Click on that same icon. You're a pro at this by now. Type Dracula theme. Found it? Great. Click on the extension and hit install. Now your code editor will have that sleek, dark, vampire coding vibe we all secretly want. Once that's done, come back to your index.html file because it's time for the moment of truth. We're about to write our very first JavaScript Hello World. Cue the confetti and epic background music. This is where the magic begins. Alright, let's dive in. First, create a script tag in your HTML file. Inside it, type this, console.log open parenthesis, hello world, close parenthesis. Done? Awesome! Now let me break it down for you step by step. First up, the script tags. These tags are where we write JavaScript code inside an HTML file. They allow JavaScript to make your web page interactive. Now, why are we putting the script tags inside the body? Well, JavaScript often needs the rest of the page, like the text, images and layout, to load before it can do its job. If we put it in the head up top, the browser might try to run the JavaScript before the page is fully loaded, and that can cause issues. By placing the script tag at the end of the body, we're saying, wait for the page to finish loading, then run the JavaScript. It ensures the page is ready before JavaScript starts. Here's another cool thing. Instead of writing JavaScript directly in the script tags, we can link an external JavaScript file to our HTML file, which we'll do later on. This keeps everything organized. The script tag will tell the browser, go grab this JavaScript file and run it. Now about console.log. This command tells the browser to print a message in the console. The console is a tool for developers to see information and debug their code. The log part is saying, write this message down, and the message is, hello world. It's a common tradition in programming to use hello world when testing something for the first time. It's JavaScript's way of saying, I'm working. All right, now to see that hello world message, right-click on your HTML file, scroll down and click on Open with Live Server. Choose your preferred browser. Then right-click anywhere on the browser, click Inspect to open the development tools, and select the Console tab. There you go, you should see Hello World printed in the console. If you don't see it, try refreshing your browser and you should be able to see it then. Alright, in this lesson we've learned what JavaScript is and why it's essential for web development, how to set up your development environment, how to write and run your first JavaScript code. In the next lesson, we'll dive into variables and data types in JavaScript. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.